Mastering slang. Understanding pump iron in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, especially for those of you keen on expanding your English vocabulary and understanding slang. We're going to dive into the phrase, pump iron, what it means, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. So, let's get started. Pump iron is a slang phrase that means to lift weights or engage in strength training using weights. The pump, in this context, refers to the action of lifting, while iron refers to the weights themselves, which are traditionally made of iron. Together, pump iron vividly describes the activity of weightlifting. The phrase, pump iron, gained popularity in the 1970s, partly thanks to the bodybuilding culture and movies that highlighted this activity. Arnold Schwarzenegger, a famous bodybuilder and actor, played a significant role in popularizing both the activity and the phrase through his documentary, Pumping Iron. Now that we know what pump iron means, let's look at how to use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. I go to the gym every day to pump iron and stay in shape. 2. If you want to build muscle, you need to start pumping iron regularly. 3. She's been pumping iron for years. That's why she's so strong. In each of these sentences, pump iron is used to describe the activity of weightlifting. Pump iron is a phrase that's deeply rooted in gym and fitness culture. It's commonly used in casual conversations, especially among those who are familiar with or participate in weightlifting. The phrase is informal and typically used in spoken English rather than formal writing. That's it for today's lesson on the phrase, pump iron. We hope you found this video helpful and that you now feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is all about practice, so don't hesitate to incorporate pump iron into your vocabulary when talking about fitness and exercise. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.